This is week 6, experiment environmental influence on microbial growth, salt tolerance testing. So this is exercise 2, preparing my pH broth. So I already labeled all my broths here. So what I'm going to do first, and I also cut the tips off the HCl and the NaOH pipettes here at a 45-degree angle. So I have those here for me there. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my pH 5 here, and I am going to remove the lid and pass it through the opening through the flame here of the candle. So first thing we'll do here. Okay. All right. And then my next thing I'm going to do is add 1 drop of the HCl to the pH 5 tube. So let me just make sure this is the right one. Okay, so we're going to just add exactly 1 drop here. Okay, 1 drop. Okay, so I'm going to put this back through the flame. Okay, and then I'm going to put the cap back on. So I decided I'm going to do the S. epidermis first, and then I'll do the S. cerevisiae after this, just so I don't get myself confused. So this is the pH 5, so I'll put that one back. Okay, so now I'm going to get the S. epi tube here, pH 9. So I'm going to pass the opening of the broth tube over the flame here. Okay, and then this time I'm going to get the NaOH and drop 1 in here. 1. Okay, I'm going to put that back through the flame here. Okay, so we're going to close it up here. So I was told here that the pH 7 broths are already adjusted to the pH 7, so it does not require any additional of acid or base. So I have those put here to the side. So now using the aseptic technique, I'm going to pipette 2 drops of the active S. epidermis culture broth into each of the tubes. So just going to wipe that clean here. So I'm going to get my S. epidermis active culture here. So I'm going to open this. Actually, what I was thinking first is let me put the S. epi here. I think the easiest thing for me to do is to run the flame through all these first, since I'm going to be putting the drops in there. Just makes more sense to do it that way. So this one is the pH 7. And then okay, pH 5. And then this is the 9. Okay, so I have those already. So here is my active culture. We'll take the top off here. Put these here. We're going to run this through the flame. Okay. So we're going to get the pipette, make sure that's dry. Okay, so I'm going to come in here. I think I'm going to be done with this one. So let me just run that through the flame, and so I can close this back up here. Okay. Put the cap back. Okay. And then I'm just going to place 2 drops in each of these cultures here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So I'm going to run these back to the flame, and then we'll close them up. I'm going to do the same exact thing for my S. cerevisiae. Okay. And then I am told to observe the tubes after 24 hours. And then we will go from there. I think that is it. I have one more here. I'm going to also take some pictures and upload this to my laboratory report. Okay. All right, so I will check back in after 24 hours, and then we will go from there. Thanks for watching.